Oh, no. Boo! Sorry.
Back, everyone! I'm sorry, but there's no way we'll get near the hive with Toad hiccuping his head off.
I'm sorry.
Why don't you go a little way off and take some deep breaths? That might calm them down.
But the honey.
We'll get plenty for all of us.
But... Oh, all right then.
Oh, sorry. Come on.
Read, Dick, Willows, Hiccups.
What is that racket?
Oh, look.
Sounds to me like Toad's got a bad case of the hiccups.
Maybe we should go say hello.
Or maybe... Boo. Come on. Shh, shh, shh. Yes, babe.
Oh, no. Boo! How dare you scare me like that? I don't need weasels scaring me when I'm trying to get rid of these horrible hiccups.
Oh?
Do you hear that? Hear what? Exactly! My hiccups are gone! You did it! You scared the hiccups right out of me! You beautiful weasels! Oh, hopefully this means I'm still in time for honey. Goodbye, and thank you.
Oh, that's... just... priceless, that is. Oh.
Hold on, Chief. I got an idea.
Boo! Boo!
Boo!
Boo!
Boo! Boo!
Boo!
Boo!
Fresh honey sandwiches. Wow.
I knew they'd be good, but I never guessed they'd be this good.
You'll have lots of inspiration for your drawing now, Portly.
Yes, look.
Oh, very good, Portly.
Hey, guess what? I'm cured. My hiccups are gone. Ooh, thank you. Mind if I do?
You're just in time for the last of the honey sandwiches.
How did you stop hiccuping?
So, I was in the wild wood, trying to hold my breath, again, and then the weasels jumped out and scared the hiccups right out of me.
It's not like the weasels to be so helpful.
I have a feeling they didn't mean to be.